All right, so Varun and Sara, welcome on Bollywood Hungama.
Thank you.
All right, query number one. Varun, I believe आपने कहीं पर एक इंटरव्यू में कहा है कि पिछले 15 सालों में query number one की स्क्रिप्ट जो है, you thought that it was the funniest script that you came across.
100% आई थिंक ये जो स्क्रिप्ट पहले जो बनी थी, इसकी जो स्क्रीन प्ले थी, बहुत काबिले तारीफ थी ये स्क्रीन प्ले, बिकॉज इट वाज जस्ट ब्रिलियंट. जो कॉमेडी और एरर्स होती थी, जो तालमेल होता था बिटवीन गोविंदा सर एंड कादर खान सर, आई रिमेंबर फाइंडिंग इट सो फनी देन. एंड एग्जैक्टली हम लोग ने वही स्क्रीन प्ले को अडेप्ट किया है 2020 में, बिकॉज अभी के टाइम में इट्स मोर इजिली टू कैच समवन इफ दे आर ट्राइंग टू फूल समवन, यू नो, बिकॉज आप फेसबुक पे चेक कर सकते हैं, इंस्टाग्राम पे चेक कर सकते हैं, किसी के बैंक अकाउंट चेक कर सकते हैं. सो दीज एलिमेंट्स आर देयर इन दिस फिल्म ऑल्सो, और वो यूज करते करते कैसे राजू आगे बढ़ता है.
Right now, Sara, I saw the film once again yesterday, और मेरे एक माइंड में एक सवाल मेरे ये आ रहा था कि that Karishma's character is wonderful, but it's mostly there in the songs, and in a way, it's a passive character. So, आप एक you are a hungry artist who wants to make her presence felt. Even Simba में भी आपने you made sure कि आप जो है solid presence आपकी थी. So what can we see in the new screenplay that Sara Ali Khan fans can be happy about?
You know, sir, I think that, one thing is that, of course, one is not trying to copy Karishma ma'am or, trying to fill her shoes or anything like that, because she is an institution in herself, And while she is extremely inspiring, I wouldn't dare to, try to ape her, because I would not be able to do so even if I tried very hard. So the only attempt here is to kind of bring something of my own into this film. For me, it wasn't as much about kind of, following in her footsteps as much as it was about, performing under David's guidance, chemistry with Varun, and things like that. And as far as, passive character, active character, screen time is concerned, for me as an actor, it's exciting to be part of exciting films. I wanted to be able to do different genres of films. I want to tell interesting stories. और एंड में मैं ऐसी फिल्में करना चाहती हूँ, स्पेशली इस जॉनर के जरिए, जो आपको हंसाए. अब वरुण के जोक से आप हंस रहे हो या मेरे जोक से या परेश सर के जोक से, मुझे फर्क नहीं पड़ता. आप मेरी फिल्म देख रहे हो और आप हंस रहे हो, और मेरे लिए उतना ही काफी है.
One of my first thoughts was when I was researching for it that you're having Ravi K. Chandran as a cinematographer, and when you see the promo, I think it shows that what magic he brings to the table. Yeah,
Ravi sir has been such a joy to work with. In fact, जो मेरी जो पहली फिल्म थी जिसपे मैंने असिस्ट की थी, My Name Is Khan, RKC was the cameraman on that film. और मैं he would use me as a stand-in that time. The first person who told me that stand-in for the actors was Ravi K. Chandran. So I have a very special relationship with him, where he would shout at me also during that film. So for me, it was a great honor that today I am an actor and Ravi K. Chandran is shooting my film as an actor.
No, absolutely. And I think the way the songs have been picturized, I think it's outstanding. All the songs, they look really colorful and cheerful, and I think ideal film in a way to bring cheers to the people. Badly needed. Happiness and laughter badly needed.
Thank you.
That's what Sara's motto is in life, just to bring cheers to the people and just bring laughter and joy.
It's true though. I really feel so, especially, like we talk about it, 2020 hasn't been an ideal year in terms of, lockdown and all of that. All of us high energy, excited people are suddenly at home, a little more restricted than we were before. And I think in times like this, there's nothing more than, spreading joy and positivity and cheer that we would like, and I really hope that we can do that.
At times I think थोड़ा सा courage भी चाहिए मुस्कुराने और हंसने के लिए, and I think Sara has loads of it.
She does. She really does. I think Sara is such a wonderful energy about her. जब हम लोग फिल्म भी शूट कर रहे थे, when I would see her, हर टेक के बाद नहीं, वरुण मेरे को एक और करना है, वरुण ऐसा करना है, am I okay, am I looking too high, am I looking low, क्या मैं ये करूँ वो करूँ. वो इतने क्वेश्चंस पूछती थी, इतने क्वेश्चंस पूछती है अभी भी, पर वो मुझे कहीं ना कहीं मेरी खुद की याद हल्की पुल्की दिलाती है. In the beginning, how I used to be, and but I think in her heart is so clean that she just wants to absolutely give her best, because she only cares that when people see her film, they should enjoy it. That's in her heart, and that's a very pure thing for any artist to have.
He's never been nice about me before. So I really wonder what's going on. But thanks.
But Sarah, I've been talking to Varun for all his films. मैं पूछना चाहता हूँ कि that I find it so interesting कि इनकी जो सारी actresses होती हैं, they have very nice things to say about him. आपका भी जब मैंने भी कुछ दिनों पहले जब Instagram live किया था, तो even you said some very nice things about him, and he was there in that Insta live as well. तो ये वरुण धवन बहुत अच्छे एक्टर हैं कि ये वाकई में बहुत अच्छे ये इंसान भी हैं? ये
अब अच्छे एक्टर तो है ही,
हर कोई तारीफ करता है इनकी,
लेकिन ये बहुत मतलब तारीफ के लायक हैं. आई थिंक दैट इतने सिक्योर एक्टर हैं, इतने हेल्पफुल एक्टर हैं, इतने हंसमुख इंसान हैं. नॉट जस्ट एज एन एक्टर, आई मीन एज एन एक्टर ही इज बीन आउटस्टैंडिंगली हेल्पफुल. अपार्ट फ्रॉम, सी, लाइक आई एम टू न्यू टू टॉक टू यू अबाउट how he is as an actor. We all know that he's an amazing actor in all the genres that he's done. So I'm not going to talk about that. What I'll say is that he's an extremely helpful co-actor. Whether it's in dance rehearsals where he would make sure that it would be very easy for Varun Dhawan to come in, learn the dance, leave in 20 minutes. And I'd have to be there for like 6 hours on my own. But he was there. He was there till I didn't get the step, we wouldn't move forward. Even if the dancer said it's okay, he said, no, see her leg, it's one beat fast. Do it again. So I think that kind of patience selflessly to have for somebody is amazing. And I think that he has that, very, very selfless quality, which is very, very rare and very, very endearing. So I think every actress being nice about him has something to do with that, I would assume.
नहीं, and आपने एक बात आपने जो कही कि that he एक selfless quality है, and ultimately I think film important है. तो मैं आपको बताना चाहूंगा, मेरी 2-3 बार वरुण से बात हुई है, एंड ही वाज वेरी एक्साइटेड दैट सारा इज लुकिंग सो गुड इन द फिल्म. एंड बहुत बार क्या होता है कि एट टाइम्स एक्टर्स दे कैन गेट अ बिट कॉन्शियस और मे बी अ बिट बिकॉज you tend to be a stealer many a times, but he seems to be very happy कि यार ये फिल्म में आई हुई है, तो उससे फिल्म जो है there will be more value added to the film, and that is what I am happy about. कुछ अगर आप इसके बारे में आप कहना चाहें कि that how important is the overall film and how important is for the important team players to think like that?
So I'm beginning to realize more and more, the more I'm working, that ultimately a scene only works if both actors are connected to each other. If I'm going to compete with Varun, firstly I will lose. I don't really like to lose, so I wouldn't do that. But that aside, the idea is not about, stealing the screen. The idea is about stealing the scene. And the only way that we steal the scene is if we steal it together, which is something that I'm beginning to see and realize. And I think that Varun is, like I said, an extremely secure, extremely confident, and extremely helpful actor. And that aside, he's also an intelligent human being. So he realizes and helps me realize that we only work if both of us work. So even in shots where he's not there, or it's, a suggestion shot or an OS, or he's not even required, he will stand on set and give me as good a cue as he has given a close-up, because he realizes that that's important for me to be able to respond to. He's been the most selfless in that domain, So I think that's important.
फरीदून, आई थिंक कि मोस्टली कॉमेडी में रिएक्शन बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट होता है. तो जैसे कि कूली नंबर 1 में परेश सर है, जावेद सर है, जॉनी लीवर है, राजपाल यादव है. जब आप इनके साथ काम कर रहे हैं, आपको एक्चुअली रिएक्शन ऑटोमेटिकली आ जाता है. जैसे परेश सर के साथ जब मैं और सारा काम करें, ही जस्ट लाइक, एंड सो इज जावेद सर. मतलब वो इतनी अच्छी आवाजें निकालते हैं. ही गेट्स इनटू डिफरेंट कैरेक्टर्स, लाइक यू कैन सी इन द फिल्म ऑल्सो. तो हमें बस, जब मैं भी घुसा इसके साथ अंदर, आई सेड आई हैव टू जस्ट रिएक्ट. तो सारा और मैंने बस रिएक्ट किया है एक दूसरे को, बिकॉज हमारी जो रोमांस भी है फिल्म में, देयर इज अ कॉमेडी एलिमेंट इन इट. इट स्टार्ट्स विद दिस हे या हे. ये एक नयापन लाने के लिए हम लोग ने थोड़े उटपटांग चीजें की है. But she had to only react to this gesture or to what I'm doing over here, because वो automatically हंसेगा ही कोई. I mean, you'll find it weird that why is someone doing that. तो मुस्कान automatically आ जाती है फिर.
Right. जब खैर मैंने ये प्रोमो मैंने देखा नहीं था, लेकिन मेरे जहन में एक थॉट बार आ रहा था कि it's a very tall order to match to someone like Govinda's skills, because he's such a natural actor. अभी प्रोमो देखने के बाद जो एक चीज जो व्हाट आई वाज थिंकिंग वाज, आई डोंट नो कितना कॉन्शियसली आप लोगों ने किया है वो नहीं किया है, लेकिन जो मिथुन सर का जो एक आपने एलिमेंट डाला है इसके अंदर, आई फेल्ट दैट इट इज इन अ वे गिविंग इट अ न्यू लाइफ टू इट। आपके कैरेक्टर को इन अ वे इट इज गिविंग अ न्यू लाइफ कि हाँ दिस इज समथिंग व्हिच इज वी हैड नॉट थॉट ऑफ।
See, I think idea वही था that the character that Chichi Bhaiya had played of the second जो कुंवर का भाई होता है वो obviously became iconic। वो जिस तरीके से बात की क्या देख रही है क्या कर रही है वो जो कर रहे थे वो iconic है। So as a fan मतलब वो कॉपी करना फिर से exactly copy paste हो जाता। बट आई थिंक स्क्रिप्ट की डिमांड थी, डायरेक्टर की डिमांड थी दैट लेट्स कम अप विद समथिंग न्यू। एंड मेरे जो भाई है, बड़े भाई है, क्योंकि बचपन से मैं मिठुंदा का मैं नकल उतारता था उनको देख के DID पे, तो उन्होंने सो आई एक्चुअली वॉच्ड अ लॉट ऑफ मिथुन चक्रवर्ती फिल्म्स। मैंने बहुत सारे कुछ 10-20 दिलीप साहब के फिल्में देखे कुंवर के कैरेक्टर के लिए, क्योंकि जब मैंने कुंवर का कैरेक्टर प्ले करना था तो एक्चुअली आई आस्क्ड डैड कि रेफरेंस क्या था ये कैरेक्टर के लिए, तो उन्होंने बोला कि हल्का सा दिलीप कुमार जो गोपी में करता है, दिलीप कुमार सर जो गोपी में करते हैं वो हे अरे हे वो उंगली उठा के नीचे चले जाते हैं वो सब, तो वो यूज किया है। अभी इट्स नॉट एग्जैक्टली दिलीप कुमार सर बट इट्स मतलब आपने बहुत फिल्में देखे होंगे तो आपको कहीं कहीं याद आएगी, मतलब एक दो जगह पे आएगी कि हम कभी शिप से उतर के हेलीकॉप्टर में चले जाते हैं, कभी हेलीकॉप्टर से उतर के शिप में चलाते हैं, हमारी मर्जी है भाई। तो एक लेके एक बनाया है, सो पीपल हु नो कि इंस्पिरेशन कहाँ से आया वो तो पकड़ेंगे, बट आई थिंक फॉर द न्यूअर जनरेशन इट विल बी न्यू।
Alright, let's talk about the songs because I think at least I think 2 of the iconic songs have been recreated and the picturization looks amazing, and I think the music is going to be one of the big mainstays in the film as well. So let's talk about the songs and how the experience of shooting for them they look very colorful.
I think doing a David Dhawan film, David Dhawan has his own brand of music हमेशा से, so जो ओरिजिनल गाने हैं वो तो बहुत ज्यादा अच्छे हैं एंड जो रिक्रिएट किए गए दे आर आल्सो ब्रिलियंट, बट आई वुड स्ट्रेस कि जो ओरिजिनल गाने किए हम लोग ने, तेरी भाभी खड़ी है एंड मम्मी कसम, दे आर इक्वली गुड फुट टैपिंग म्यूजिक एंड दे विल मेक यू फील जॉयफुल एंड हैप्पी। मतलब इस वक्त मैं बोल नहीं सकता लोगों की आके नाचो सेलिब्रेट करो बिकॉज यू हैव टू बी सेफ, बट
लेकिन घर पे नाच लो और घर पे सेलिब्रेट कर लो, और वो थिएटर वाली एक्सपीरियंस आप लोग घर पे ही कर लो। बस उतनी ही उम्मीद है कि आप वो चीयर अपने दोस्तों के साथ और फैमिली के साथ घर पे बैठ के आप सीटीवीटी बजा के नाच लो प्लीज, अच्छा होगा।
आपका तजुर्बा कैसा था सारा?
मुझे बहुत मजा आया सर, मुझे बहुत ही ज्यादा मजा आया, क्योंकि जैसे कुली नंबर 1 जो फिल्म है मैं देख चुकी हूँ, लेकिन मेरा भाई जो है वो उसने फिल्म नहीं देखी है, लेकिन उसे भी ये गाने जो 2 बहुत ही फेमस गाने जिन्हें हमने रिक्रिएट किया है, वो दोनों गाने इब्राहिम भी जानता है। अभी हाल ही में मैं धनुष सर के साथ काम कर रही हूँ, वो भी हिंदी फिल्मों के बारे में ज्यादा नहीं जानते, लेकिन वो भी मिर्ची लगी है जानते हैं, तो मुझे लगता है कि every child, every person in Tamil Nadu, everyone, everywhere knows these songs, So as somebody that's heard these songs as a child, I'm so shocked that now there's going to be a new version of these songs that has me dancing with Varun Dhawan in them. Like, I'm still kind of reeling under the shock and gratitude. Shut up, making reels. You're not making enough reels. We have to make reels after this. We will talk about this later. But anyway, Instagram reels are supposed to be very cool. Varun is teaching me how to use them, and also like now I'm going to, because we were matching check. So and the caption can be checked. I love it. But okay, going back. So I'm very happy that I've been given the opportunity to do these 2 songs, and the original songs are also great. And it's a lot of fun. Yeah, Ganesh sir and David sir is like the epitome of 90s, and Varun is like very like and today, and like it's fun to be.
Ganesh sir and Sara have a very love-hate relationship.
He loves me a lot.
इतना झगड़ते हैं शूटिंग के पहले, सारा गणेश सर ये क्या है, आप मेरे पे कॉन्सेंट्रेट नहीं कर रहे, आप स्टेप करके दो, आप दिखाओ। एंड गणेश सर मतलब द ओनली पर्सन गणेश सर मेल्ट होते हैं जिसके सामने वो सारा है।
I love गणेश सर।
एक्चुअली सारा ने बहुत काम किया उनके साथ, She's done सिम्बा में भी काम
हाँ,
किया है, तो she's practically started her career with
Ganesh
his
sir.
guidance.
Yeah, of course.
So they have a very, very close relationship.
He teaches me, I tell him कि ये डांस तो मुझे डांसर सिखा देंगे, आप मुझे फेस सिखाओ, क्या करूं, इस पे आप वो एक्सप्रेशन करके दिखाओ, आप ना नखरा करके दिखाओ. So yeah, he's right about the whole love-hate relationship.
Okay, the film Kuli Number 1 was released in which year? 94, 95, 96, 97?
Actually, options.
No,
We're waiting for
no.
options.
1995.
Yeah, that's right.
Okay, so
Options. Yeah, I'm waiting for options.
I gave you
Now we
options.
won't wait
94, 95, 96,
95. No, I won. It's fine.
Chalo, she doesn't want options. Ab
So
ready.
I think Sara Ali Khan got it. So, but Varun, please be competitive. She can be very competitive. So, बाद में
I can see.
ना करिए. Second one is slightly tough. Kuli Number 1 was a remake of which 1993 Tamil film? Chinna Mappillai, Chinna Alludu, Kuli Raja, Vasant Kuli.
Chinna Mappillai, the first one.
The second one.
No, the first one for sure.
I'm saying second one.
First 100%.
She's right. Now you know it, Varun. लेकिन आप उनको जितवाना चाह रहे हैं.
Sweet. How sweet.
अभी पीछे से आना मुझे.
2-0.
Okay.
2-0.
I'm loving it.
Okay, now this one is very easy. It's just that who gets it first. Okay, and please let me complete the options. Music of Kuli Number 1 was given by whom? Nadeem Shravan, Lalit Pandit, Anand Milan, Lakshmikant Kerala.
Anand Milan.
You got it. 2-1.
Yeah, because you didn't complete, but I mean, you would have gotten
Yeah.
it anyway. Okay.
All right. 2-1. Okay, now it's heating up. Okay, now which of the following songs is not a part of Kuli Number 1? It's not a part of Kuli Number 1. क्या मजनू क्या रांझा अखियां मिला ले जेठ की दोपहरी में आ जाना
The second one. The second song.
क्या मजनू का रांझा is also not a part of it.
Even Akhiyan Milan was not.
Yeah, even Akhiyan Milan was not.
क्या मजनू क्या रांझा is not part of
Hey,
it?
just say the options again. Say the options again. Let's say the options.
Okay,
Say the options again.
क्या मजनू क्या रांझा अखियां मिला ले जेठ की दोपहरी में आ जाना
जेठ की दोपहरी.
Yeah,
जेठ की दोपहरी
is in the movie.
is in the movie.
I think it's the second one. That's my
I think
opinion.
it's the first one, na? क्या मजनू क्या रांझा.
अखियां मिला ले is the right answer.
It's not part. Okay, 3-1.
What do you mean 4-1?
3-1. 3-1 and 3.
There are still 6 to go. I'm sure that. Okay, now this one is very easy. This one is really easy. Okay, but please let me complete the options. Okay, what was Karishma Kapoor's name in film Kuli Number 1? Sandhya, Malti, Nisha, Radha.
Malti, I said it. Malti.
No.
I said it.
I
Sorry.
also said it.
I gave you the first one. You gave me this.
Okay, we tied.
No, there's no tie. Even I knew the first one, yeah.
No, you
But
didn't.
I
did
think
know 1987.
even I felt it was Varun first. Even I felt it was Varun first. 3-2.
Malti.
It's becoming a very closely contested.
It's a close contest.
Okay. Okay. Now this one is easy as well. It's just that who gets it first. But you will have to let me complete the options because without that you wouldn't be knowing it. Which of the following actor was not a part of Kuli Number 1? Tiku Talsania, Sadashiv Amrapurkar, Johnny Lever, Shakti Kapoor.
Johnny Lever. She said Shakti Kapoor. I said Johnny Lever.
Oh God.
He's right. 3-1. So 3-all. So this is slightly tough, and Varun may have a slight advantage on this one. Which month of 1995 was Kuli Number 1 released? February, April, June, September?
February, April,
June, September.
June.
He's right.
Yes.
4-3. So there are still 3 more questions.
So
to go.
basically, I was not even born. I was -2 months old.
You should have come earlier, no?
Tell my mom.
Okay, 4-3. There are still 3 questions to go. I think anyone can make up. It's still open. Govinda received the Starskin Award
For best comedy. Best comedy actor.
for his performance in Kuli Number 1.
Best comedy actor.
Actor. No. Just wait.
Just wait.
Okay.
special jury award for his performance in Kuri number 1 as Best Actor Male, Best Actor in a Comedy Role, Comedian of the Decade, Performer of the Decade.
Best actor in a comedy role, I think.
Comedian of the decade.
No, neither of you are right. It is Performer of the Decade. So
That's what I was
But
trying
best-
to say.
no, you said Comedian of the Decade. It is Performer of the Decade.
She said
Alright,
that, I
so
know.
there's still 2 more questions to go, and it's still wide open. It's still wide open. Okay, this is very easy. Not that easy, but still quite easy. Let's see. Who was the female singer of Kuli number 1 Startbuster song "मैं तो रास्ते से जा रहा था"? साधना सरगम, अलका याग्निक, पूर्णिमा, चंदना दक्षित.
Alka Yagnik.
Say again, say the names again.
Alka
He
Yagnik.
got it.
Right.
Yeah, Alka Yagnik.
I got it.
Alka Yagnik.
5-3, she can't win. It's over.
He has won it now. Basically, you're playing for pride now, Sarah. It's 5-3.
You're playing for your pride.
How rude is he? How can you laugh at
Because
that?
you said you're playing for your pride.
It is not.
Smart.
In the sense, you can make it 5-4 and make it look nice, competitive, and all that. So that is.
Okay, so I can lose a little better. I get it. Okay, let's try.
Yeah, it looks better. All right. This is tough. This is slightly tough. Kuli number 1's, in fact, rather tough. Kuli number 1's soundtrack was one of the best-selling Bollywood soundtracks of that year. The film's soundtrack sold around how many units? 1 million, 2.5 million, 3.5 million, 5 million.
3.5 million.
He's right.
5 million.
She's right.
Yeah, I remember.
So I have some pride,
this,
but I'm still a loser. So I'm a loser with pride.
you know, Uswat, they would give those awards, right? Golden or silver when the album would do very well.
Right.
I remember
Yeah.
award. I remember that award, which Tips award is there in my house even right now. My dad has.
Right. The music, I think, was such a lead.
So now this music better do well, because if it doesn't, then we'll have to blame Parth.
We'll start with Varun. What is something you were thrilled to discover about Sara Ali Khan while shooting for Kuri number 1? Right.
What I was thrilled to discover about her, that she comes on time.
You're thrilled to discover
I was
that?
thrilled to discover that you come on time
Okay,
and you're ready on time.
thanks.
But she's very, like, she's damn professional. Like, you know, if you give her a call time, and Kuli number 1 probably has one of the earliest call times, like 7:30 in the morning.
No, 7:30 in the morning, like rolling, which means
Rolling.
like I have to wake up at like 4 sometimes.
सबका जो मतलब गुस्सा होगा दूसरे एक्टर्स का, वो हम पे निकाला गया था ये फिल्म में. 7:30 rolling, camera is rolling at 7:30 with RKC behind the camera and David Dhawan on the side.
So I have to wake up at like 3:45 at these times.
Some nights, like, Sarah wouldn't sleep only.
That's true.
Because in our industry, there are only 2 people who before shooting get up in the morning and do cardio. One is Tiger Shroff and the second is Sara Ali
You
Khan.
know, I wake up with a really fat
There's Akshay
face.
Kumar as well.
So I
There's
have to
Akshay
keep
Kumar.
like running away so that my face becomes less puffy.
Tiger
in
and
the morning.
Sara have the same workout regime.
I don't think that's
Yeah.
true.
I'm telling you,
All right,
even she can do backflip and all.
Just
People don't know.
All right. For which dialogue in Kuri number 1 did you take multiple retakes as it was too funny?
माँ का घोंसला छोड़ के भांजी के घोंसले में रहना चाहते ना. I kept stuttering on that line. I didn't know how to say it, but I found it very funny.
All right. One thing about Govinda that you wish you had.
His relationship with David Dhawan while being directed.
Okay. One thing about Sara Ali Khan you wish all your co-actresses had.
One thing about Sara Ali Khan I wish all my co-actors have. Her drive to succeed.
Okay. How do you react to following in one word? Social media.
Boring.
Kuri number 1.
I'm bored of it. Timeless.
Okay. Answer these questions about following celebrities based on your experience of working with them. One question you should never ask Shah Rukh Khan.
How much did you buy Mannat for?
Easiest way to make Sara Ali Khan smile.
Offer a food from Farmers
I
Cafe.
knew you would say food.
From Farmers Cafe.
Very good. Very good. We ate from Farmers Cafe today, which explains why I've been smiling basically constantly.
One thing that many people don't know about Shraddha Kapoor.
That she owns a lot of flats in Mumbai. It's true. It's true. She gives them on rent.
Okay, she's a landlady.
Yeah, she's a landlady.
Okay, ye ya wo, either or if you have to choose. Badshah ya Bazigar, which SRK films remake you'd love to star in?
Bazigar.
Is that a Bazigar dialogue?
He has a favorite Bazigar dialogue as well.
middle, no.
After I won, I said हार के जीतने वाले को बाजीगर कहते हैं.
All right, okay. Alia Bhatt or Sara Ali Khan, who's a better prankster?
She doesn't do pranks. She does like knock. If you ask me who does better knock jokes, then it's obviously Sara.
Should we tell them the latest one we did?
She does knock jokes. ये बहुत सारी knock jokes करती है. You know, are you a prankster? No.
No, not really.
Do pranks.
No. Knock.
Who's there? Cashew.
No, but I don't mind some peanuts.
Okay, Remo D'Souza or Prabhudeva, who's more funny on the set?
I think Remo sir and me, we both laugh on Prabhu sir. Laugh on him. He has a very straight face type of sense of humor. Prabhudeva.
He does. What would be the best line to attract audience to watch Coolie #1?
It's now out on Amazon Prime Video.
One thing Varun can do very easily, you wish you could do that.
I think he's effortless in everything he does. I wish I could do that.
Okay. How would you describe your bond with Varun in one word?
Real.
Okay. Answer this question based on your experience of working with them. Easiest way to win Ranveer Singh's heart?
Nutella.
One thing very few people know about Varun Dhawan.
I think he's a fairly open person. It's not like I can't think of anything that people don't know about Varun Dhawan. I think you know.
See, everyone, you just said all the co-actors are praising me, तो सच ही होगा फिर कि अच्छा ही होगा.
हाँ, कुछ ना कुछ तो होगा जो किसी को नहीं पता, वो मुझे भी नहीं पता शायद.
A question you should never ask Rohit Shetty.
Can I have a day off?
Can I have? Okay. Which B-Town celebrity call the following? If you need a suggestion on what to watch on OTT.
What to watch on OTT? Well, I have been calling Varun, but all his suggestions have not been great, but some have. So I guess Varun.
But you know, for photographs on Instagram and just photographs in general, we'll definitely ask Avinash Gwarikar.
All right. Last question. If you need an honest opinion on your performance in a movie.
I think mom.
Your mother. All right. Okay. Varun and Sara, lovely talking to you. Thank you very much for your time. Congratulations.
I end the interview by saying that I saw Scam 1992 and I thought that Pratik Gandhi was just outstanding. And he was brilliant in it. And also I saw Tesh during this lockdown and I thought Harshvardhan Rane was also.
Now you see why he's the one I called for OTT advice.
How good was he? I mean, I was like, wow.
He is really good. He is really good. All right. So thank you very much and all the best wishes and congratulations. Looking forward to the film. Thank you very much.